All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, yesterday we did some light reading on our advanced functions module inside of our VS Code, and today we're going to put up the actual code inside of our Remix IDE. So let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. So basically, we're going to be multiplying our integers here. You can see we have it set up. Our add external, add pure, our define multiple. These are the integers we're going to be multiplying. Let's get a compile list and get it deployed and see how we can actually get that going. So it's compile. Let's deploy it. Let's go down here so we can open up the file. Let's go down. Here it is here. So the file is opened up. We can drop this drop down here. Now you can see that we can enter in both our integers so we get the multiplication going. So we'll do a 3 times 3, something simple. Call it. As you can see, our answer is 9. And we'll try something like 10 times 10. Call it, and you see 100. So it is working properly. Now we're going to do an example for division. So let's change this to divide here. And just like in Python, you would add the slash for division like this. But the only difference is in Vyper, we have to add 2 slashes to signify division. So that's how we do divide in Vyper. So in Python, it'll just be the 1 slash for divide. But in Vyper here, you can see we have to have the 2 slashes. And that is signify that we want to divide our integers. So let's get this one erased so we can recompile. We're going to recompile it. Let that compile. I'm going to come back. I'm going to deploy it. It should be ready to go. Let's open up our file. Go down. So let's start with 100 divided by 5. Call it 20. So you can see those are just a few examples of what we can do with the advanced functions. I'm not going to go into the other two. One of them was adding a passing to the function that allow us to actually implement the function without writing the entire code. And the other one was returning multiple functions at once. I'm not going to get into that today, or maybe save it for tomorrow. If not, we'll just move on. We're not going to touch on every aspect of every module that we actually go into, but of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way as we move forward. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.